Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGMClassicCars.com here in Addison, Illinois. Today I have this 1992 Ford Mustang LX that's been swapped out with a 2000 Mustang Ford Cobra engine, transmission, the suspension, wheel, tires, and brake system, plus much more. Read my description for detailed information. It is a factory Calypso green car, okay? Obviously, it does sit on the Cobra wheels, dual exhaust. The car's been repainted to its original color, and I'll tell you what, the builder did an excellent job. This car came from Washington, and the guy I bought it from was and is the builder of this little LX. So a lot of information there in the details that you guys can read. He did an excellent job. It took him up to 8 months to get this thing done, and they finished this car in this beautiful color. An awesome restoration. I'm gonna pop the hood. I want you guys to check that out, see how he did the swap with that 2000 Cobra motor. But first, let's check out the interior. Stock looking factory Mustang gray cloth interior with all the power options that they pretty much came with, I believe. Nice door jambs, excellent back seats. He did the swap on the gauges from the 2000 Cobra. Let's go ahead and pop the hood. There's your 5-speed there. Aftermarket stereo system. Engine compartment, super clean. Check this out. 32 valve V8 stuffed in this little notchback. Look how clean this is. Sounds amazing. Didn't think you're gonna see that under the hood, huh? Underneath is super clean as well. Listen to how this baby sounds real quick before we take off. Let's mount this camera. Let's go for a little ride. And remember, guys, gotta be real careful driving a car like this with the swap. Great on the car. Obviously, the power steering feels awesome on the car as well, and the brakes feel awesome. They feel great. Did a nice restoration, nice rebuild on the motor, transmission. Brakes feel good, like I said. So we're going to go for a little ride here, like I do. Wow. This is probably the nicest notchback I've ever driven. Obviously, it's got the swap motor in it. What a fabulous job. Well, folks, MGM is located at 150 South Church in Addison, Illinois, 60101. 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport and 45 minutes from Midway. For those of you who need delivery, I'm going to leave my phone number at the end of the video. All I need you to do is text me or call me with your zip code, and I'll get you guys a quote for that. For those of you watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. It's the red button on the bottom right of your screen. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it to everyone. All right. Hope there's no cops around, man. But this is worth a ticket, I'll tell you that. Wow. Wow. the CD player here. What a beautiful day. Extend this drive video. I mean, when's the next time I'm going to have an opportunity to drive a 92 notchback with a 32 valve Cobra engine in it? Thumbs up everywhere you go. To find nice hot rods for you guys, tell you everything about them, and sell you a good product. We have over 100 cars in stock. You can check those out at mgmclassiccars.com. For those of you who need financing, we do offer great financing. I'll tell you about that in a minute. I'm not going to go nuts here. Whoa! Woo! That was just half throttle. Oh, baby. Man, I love my job. Wow. This thing brakes real nice too. The handling, man, does it handle good. Look at this. Like on rails. I mean, this thing is fun. Oh shit! That's 80 miles an hour real quick, boys and girls. Woo! Woo! All right. All right. So back to the financing. If your credit score is between 600 and 739, okay, rates are like 5 to 7%, 84-month term, no prepayment penalty. Fill out a credit application at mgmclassiccars.com. For those of you with a higher credit score, 740 or higher, rates are 3.5 to 5%, 84-month term, no down payment required in most cases. You guys can fill out the credit application at lightstream.com if you're a 740 or higher. Guys, gals, my name's Thomas. Thanks for watching mgmclassiccars.com. Text me, call me, your zip code for delivery at 847-848-1850. Thanks for watching.